Ndị be anyị ekenekwanụ m unu. A sị na ọ ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma o. Ise. A sị na ọ ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma o. Ise. A sị na ọ ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma o. Ise. 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 Anyị dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media, bụ ebe anyị si wee wetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasara maka ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo. Ọ ya ka anyị na-ewetara unu n'elu akwụkwọ gbasara maka ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo and the entire old Eastern region, bụ ebe anyị na-akpọ ọdịda anyanwụ. Anyị dịka o si dị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izi gị na-esoro anyị na Igbo Media, kaba alụ ka ị soro anyị na ya na-eme, ka ị join anyị and subscribe ọ, maka anyị ga na-etinye elu ya bụ update daily n'elu akwụkwọ gbasara maka ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo. Ọ kịdapụ ime isi ya bụ ihe. O nwere ihe anyị wetara unu n'elu akwụkwọ, n'anya n'elu akwụkwọ. Onye unu na-afụ n'elu akwụkwọ bụ Maazị Simon Ekpa. O nwere ife okwu n'elu akwụkwọ a nsị ka ntinye elu unu ka unu ga ya bụ ife gbasara maka ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya. Ọ bụ na ị ga-esi ya gị tụọ alụ gị ife ichelụ gbasara maka ihe ndị a niile Biafran Prime Minister bụ Maazị Simon Ekpa kwuru n'elu akwụkwọ. All right, over to you.
And I'm very, very happy hearing from you tonight. And Biafra, we will resist. Hope Uzolima can never create any state from Imo State, or Hope Omai, who said that Ebonyi State is not part of Biafra. So we are behind you, 1,000,000% behind you. As you speak, we like your voice, we like your actions. Go ahead, and God will continue to bless you. I yield my mic here.
Thank you. David Nana, over to you. Oh, Biafra Unite. Are you back on the speaker? Biafra Unite. Okay, David, over to you, David. Biafra Unite is not okay yet.
Okay, thank you so much. Thanks so much, my Minister of Information. Am I coming out, sir? Because I can't see anything. I'm just hearing voices.
I can hear you. I can hear you. Continue. Continue. We can hear you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. My Prime Minister, Agune Chamber One, I really appreciate you, sir. Thank you for coming. My Prime Minister, you know, sometimes we are very much flabbergasted or surprised. How do you manage to do this? Every minute, every point in time, you give us updates, you go meetings here and there. Do you sleep? Do you recreate? Do you have a recreational time? Or, in fact, I begin to wonder how you get all the energy to do all this. Number one, that is part of my question. Secondly, my PM, there is something that is very, very, I can't understand how this happened. In 2015, you were the only person that, you know, when some people left their motherland to go to foreign land to eat yam, and they were somehow disciplined in that area, you were the only person that come and spoke on his behalf. Then in 2019, you joined Biafra Liberation. You have performed more than people who joined 19 Burigidim. I want to ask you, Prime Minister, does it mean that why in 2015 you were the Igbo president in Finland, were you still doing Igbo president and still studying about how to destroy Nigeria? Because I can't fathom within 5 years what you have achieved. People who have been there as 19 Brigidim have not been able to go even achieve 1% of what you have done, sir. That is my question. Thank you.
Thank you very much. This is a very important question. I will tell you today one secret. There is no Igbo person today anywhere in the world that is with Nigeria at heart. This is a pure truth. Nobody today that is shouting Nigeria, Nigeria. Deep down, as an Igbo man and a Biafran, deep down inside their heart, they know Nigeria is not for them. While I was the chairman of Igbo Union Finland, I know. But you know, there is this spirit that keep telling you, don't worry, maybe tomorrow. Don't worry, maybe next tomorrow. So everybody today, from the governors down to the lowest, deep down inside their heart, they know Nigeria is not for them. And many of them that are supporting Nigeria today is for what they are getting to maintain their status quo, or they're anticipating for something. This is a fact. I have been there. So I can tell you from my experience. While I was doing all those things, including banning Biafra flag in Igbo Hall, it is just thinking something will happen. Nothing. Deep down, everybody is a Biafra. Deep down inside your heart. No matter how you want to fight this freedom against Biafra, believe me. Many of them you see today that are shrinking, is because they have found themselves in the very tight corner. They don't know what to do. But then, man have to leave. They continue to push. There's only some of us who summon courage and say, enough is enough. We make a U-turn, 360 degree. And that's what differentiates a man, a very, a man with integrity, than those who continue to come from the back door to tell you, okay, can we support you? Because many of them are coming. Many of them, as they are ready to fund this Biafra. But their fear is that, if they find out, they're going to destroy my property. Oh, if they find out, they're going to destroy my house. Oh, if they find out, they're going to destroy my business. Oh, if they find out, they will kill my family. Oh, if they, So if you are afraid of that, you come to me. I will make sure nobody know about you until Biafra come. While this was going on, we were preparing for Nigeria. I was preparing for Nigeria. That's why I remain on survival mathematics. I am telling you the fact, because in 2015, when I became the Igbo Union chairman, I was just Igbo Union chairman, but in the heart, I was still a Biafran. The reason why I supported Atiku in 2019 was not because of Atiku, was not because of Nigeria, it was because of P2B. That's why when I look at these people, I laugh. I am telling you the fact. The reason I supported Atiku in 2019, I did not only support Atiku, I became one of the leaders of the Atiku campaign group in Europe, was because of P2B. Why is it P2B? Why was it because of P2B? Because P2B is an Igbo man. Why it was because an Igbo man? Because P2B, as an Igbo man, is a Biafran. So I supported Atiku because of him. So that alone should tell you, anybody supporting P2B today is not supporting P2B because P2B is the only person that will change anything. P2B cannot change anything in Nigeria. Many people supporting P2B, either they are Igbo supporting P2B because P2B is an Igbo man. And those who are angry today that P2B did not win the election as an Igbo person, they are doing it because P2B was rigged out because he's an Igbo man. And if you have that kind of spirit, you are a Biafran, no matter how you pretend. Because if P2B is from Yoruba land, you can't support him. So you are supporting him because he's an Igbo man. And if you do that, it means you are not Nigeria at heart. That's why I say no Igbo man is a Nigeria at heart. There's only something you are planning to get or something you are anticipating. And once that thing fails, you can't stand it anymore, you turn to Biafra, which is the last bus stop. Many of us turned in 2019. That's why we are here today. And we have come to finish it. Whether they like it or not, we drag them into freedom. Thank you.
Can I ask a follow-up question, sir? Okay, sir. My other question is this. Last week, you did something that surprised a lot of people. That some of the people will say, where is this guy coming from? We can't comprehend the route you are coming from, because while you were making broadcasts with us, sometimes you dress like a bishop and you carry Bible. You will be
Can anyone see David? Because I can't hear him anymore. Maybe we lost his signal.
I'm not hearing anything.
Okay. Right. While he comes back, we give the mic to Fun Girl. Fun Girl, over to you.
Thank you so much. Can you guys hear me? Somehow
Very well.
I can't see my screen. Okay. All right, good. Thank you, Minister Sunny and Pastor Van 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 and our PM. I greet you. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I thank you for all you are doing, and I'm with you 100%. We are going to get Biafra, from the
Please,
exile. Can you hear me?
I want to talk.
Fun girl, continue.
Hello?
Fun girl, continue.
Okay. All right. So we are going to get Biafra from the exile. All they are ranting about you coming to their one Nigeria or their zoo country. It's not going to happen. I'm here in America and I'm supporting you 100%. And we are behind you. We are going to get Biafra from the exile, whether they like it or not. They must become Biafra by force. So I thank you, PM, for what you're doing, for leading. So I just have one or two questions. Some of my members here in the North Carolina region are asking, some are supporting financially. They've been supporting for a while. And I just wanted to get it clear. If for the ID card, can a member who's married, right, and they have been supporting for a while, and they want to get the ID card, are their spouse qualified to also get the ID card as well? And also, has the timeline shortened from the receipt that we're supposed to, prove as your evidential item for getting for supporting Biafra? Has it shortened? Like I think the last time it was like 6 months. Have we gone down to maybe something different? So those are the two questions that I have. I thank you, my Prime Minister.
Thank you very much. Anybody who have supported this movement from the last 2 months can apply, and your application will be individually reviewed, and appropriate ID card will be issued to you. So anybody, if you have supported, Biafra in the last 2 months, you are free to apply. Apply for the ID card, and when you apply, provide your 2 months receipt, and the ID card department will handle your application on individual basis, and they will make a decision to which of the ID card you are going to have. So everybody that's a Biafran qualifier at this point, including those that are seeking asylum. In fact, as a matter of fact, you are required to have your ID card to be able to get a document from the government to present as your, so the application for the ID card is a prerequisite requirement to, to have your introduction or introductory letter from the government to the country, to the immigration office of your country. So for you to have a document from the Biafra government in exile, you must have applied for the ID card and use the receipt of the application as an evidence to qualify to be issued a document to present to your immigration department. And those who, of course, the liaison office of your country will be involved in this, in making sure that you are physically interviewed, or they at least do some interview. Those who we don't have the liaison office in their country at this point will directly deal with the ID card and database team. So for now, everybody who is a Biafran, including those seeking asylum, is qualified, and the ID card become the one of the requirement, the most important requirement for you to be given a document by the government to present to your immigration. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. We go to one. One, over to you. Unmute yourself. One, over to you. Unmute yourself. If you're not ready, we go to Brother Don. Brother Don, over to you. Brother Don. Brother Don, over to you. Brother Don, over to you. Brother Don, over to you. David, you're back on the mic. Over to you.
But this one, my hand was up. Oh. If not say this network, they bad.
Oh, sorry. Pick the mic, my minister. Network.
Ndị be anyị daalụnụ ndị nne nụ, Igbo ọma na-ege ntị, daalụ ndị nne nụ, ụmụnne anyị kunisiri na-esoro anyị na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si na-akọwapụta akụkọ gbasịta maka ka obi anyị dị ana gbasịta maka ihe a na-eme anyị bụ ndị Igbo na obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị ka efi nwere ikwu gbasịta maka ya bụ ife Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpe kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ dịgasị iche iche n'ụdị nke gị ka efi nwere ikwu gbasịta maka ya bụ ife kabarụ ka ị dropụla ya on the comment section below. Ọzọ dịka ibe ya bụ cheta na ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetere ya bụ agaraba mtụsa ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ife na-eme na ọdịda anyanwụ nke anyị na-akpọ Eastern Region.